Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to TMT. This morning we're replacing these two very old over-under units. It's a little windy out today, and I just wanted to make a quick video. I've been installing a lot recently because I am training those couple new guys, right? So I'm taking a break a little bit from taking videos to diagnose because my brother is helping us out with that while I train these guys on how to install. So yep, we're gonna do both of these, show y'all the process, what should be done. It's pretty simple, but we are going to replace essentially everything that's been beat on by the sun. So we're talking new elbow, new unit, new stand, new drain line, new electrical, and new thermostat wire, etc. This is what we call a direct replacement. So pretty cake. All right, well, I'll show you how it looks like when we're all done. All right, so now we got to upsize this return.
This one?
Yes, sir. Pretty typical. See, most houses 20, 30 years ago, they didn't know what we know now. And if they did, they just ignored it. So we're going to put bigger ductwork for the additional airflow that's needed for these newer units. So we got the Flex Master working on that right now. All right, everyone, so that's it. Mission accomplished. As promised, new ductwork on the roof. This is called an elbow or a twist elbow. New electrical, new disconnect box with fuses, very important. New surge protector right here. New thermostat wire. We do not reconnect to the old drains in these scenarios where it goes into the house, because if it were to crack, leak, something like that, it could cause some serious issues with drywall, paint, stuff like that. So we don't do it. We do give it a little bit of a paint job. If you got a white roof, we use white wet patch. If you use a black roof, then we use black. You got brown, we use brown. So this is new drains, right? We need to put new drains, and again, we like them exposed on the roof. They are two identical units, and there's your new 2-stage 16 Seer Trane sitting on a new stand. So that's it. And we did upsize the return, right, to I would say 90% of 20-30-year-old homes, when it's time to replace a unit, they tend to not have the correct size ductwork for the new system. And we did have to upsize it to a 16-inch. It had 14. And according to my duct calculator, 14 would have been okay, but it would have been pushing the limits. And personally, I'd rather not risk it. So at 16, we are doing perfect. Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. As always, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. If you're wondering what controls we use for these bad boys, we like to use we have a few, but I like to use the Honeywell T10. Is a very nice thermostat. Honeywell has been doing it for a very long time, so they know what they're doing. And so has the Trane Nexia 824. That one's a really awesome thermostat. What I like about those thermostats, it has reverse staging, or what some people call, end cooling and heating on low. So it means that when it's getting close to that temperature that you have it set at, it will step down to the first stage or the medium speed to actually continue to cool and heat, which is actually more efficient and more comfortable. So that's pretty much it, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one. Peace out.